Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, sisters and brothers. My name is Dan Gore. I'm a building trades journeyman for Local 230, plumbers, steam fitters, and HVAC technicians. Thank you. A couple of my favorite projects I've worked on here in town are the East Village District Plant. It's a chiller plant that houses four 1,300-ton chillers that supplies chilled water to the East Village. Second favorite project is work at Scripps La Jolla, working on a revamp for all their HVAC and chilled water piping and pump work over there. That's about all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ken Pickett. I've been a union sheet metal worker for the past 13 years. In the past, I've worked on Petco Park, Sharps Hospital, and I'm currently working on Children's Hospital. Thank you.
Okay, hello. My name is Wayne Lawler, and I've been a roofer for over 20 years, and I've worked at a large number of schools throughout the whole county. And I am a member of the Roofers and Waterproofers and Allied Workers Union Local number 45. And as of tonight, I'm very proud to be here, knowing that throughout all them hard times and them hard jobs, that I've had a career in roofing. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Marcos DeGracia, and I'm a fourth period apprentice with the San Diego County Cement Masons Local 500. Since joining, I've had the opportunity to work on two of the biggest projects thus far of my career, one of them being Rady's Children's Hospital Acute Care Pavilion, the second being Grossmont College parking structure. Given the opportunity to be part of the construction process in both projects showed me the value I possess as a cement mason. I'd like to give great thanks to CPI for the award, and I'd like to give great thanks to my uncle, also senior business agent for Local 500, Mr. Jaime Barton. Thank you.
My name is Marco Preston. I'm a member of Local 229, the Iron Workers. I've been an iron worker for about 4 years now, and my favorite projects were Rady's Children's Hospital and San Ysidro High School. It's just, I don't know, building better tomorrow is it's great. So, thanks.
Hello, my name is Todd Strom, and I'm proud to be a Teamster, Teamsters Local 36. For the last 25 years, I've delivered ready-mix concrete to many of our projects, including the Convention Center, the upgrades at the universities, and many more. And I'd like to thank CPI for the warm recognition. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Ed Locker, local member of 206 for the last 34 years, and hope to be for the rest of my life. I appreciate the projects that I've worked on, or Balboa Hospital when it was coming out of the ground. And the first one I ever started on was Pomerado Hospital when it was just started. So thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Bob Velasquez. I was indentured in September of 1977 with United Brotherhood Carpenters and Joiners of America. When asked what my two significant projects have been in San Diego County, I had to really think, because I worked several significant jobs locally. Probably I would say most of my book, 15 years worth, have been the maintenance of critical path procedures at San Onofre Nuclear Generating Station. In conjunction with Local 569, electricians, and 229 iron workers, also boiler makers and laborers. Total solidarity up there, we've maintained that contract. As far as the more significant work for schools, I would have to say that would be South Bay. I was involved with institutional caseworks, setting caseworks for new classes in a remodeling stage. Bishop School La Jolla with Rudolph and Sletton. We were able to do the site work there and create a new football field and exercise additional parking spaces. Essentially, I want to say that the apprenticeship program that the United Brotherhood and Carpenters and Joiners of America has provided me not only a job and several jobs, but also a career, a livable wage, a very good livable wage if you check our scale lately. Also, our pension is very sound and safe. Thank you very much, Donald Cohen. This is a great organization.
Good evening. My name is Ruben Garcia. I'm with the Local 89 and laborers. I've been there for 7 years, and in the 7 years, I'm very proud to have worked on the expansion for Palmerado Hospital, the expansion for the 125 freeway, and currently working on the San Vicente Dam. Thank you very much.
Good evening, brothers and sisters. On behalf of all San Diego construction workers, I would like to thank you so much for this honor. My name is Michelle Penny, and I'm a fourth-year apprentice electrician and an active member in my union, Local 569 IBEW, which I'm grateful to be a part of. I was born in San Diego and raised in Spring Valley. I'm a single mom of two beautiful daughters who are 8 and 3 years old. I work various jobs while living with my mother, such as a landscaper, pizza girl, vendor, security guard, file clerk, customer service / cashier, and I could probably go on. Before becoming an apprentice, none of these jobs' hourly rates added up to the money plus benefits I have today. It feels secure to have a skill and stable career I can depend on, knowing how I control my destiny and my own career. The project I take in pride that I and other San Diego workers feel in our work every time we pass a project our hands have been privileged to work on. I personally brag to friends and family about Petco Park, Park Cafe, The Legend, SDG&E, Cuyamaca College, where I currently attend also, and many other beautiful sites. I was reminded by my Mason brother. I also worked at Ratty Children's Hospital. It's a privilege. My hope for the future is to one day own a union electrical contracting business of my own, like my brother Andre Johnson. Because of these opportunities given to me, the rest is unlimited. So I want to accept this honor, but I also want to take this opportunity on behalf of all San Diego construction workers to give thanks to San Diego Unified School District, school board members Sheila Jackson, Richard Barrera, and John Lee Evans. Please stand up so the audience can recognize you. Thank you. And these pioneers passed a Construction Careers Project Stabilization Agreement this year that will ensure all Prop S school construction provides permanent middle-class careers with family health care benefits and gives preference to local people to do the work. Thank you. And I would also like to thank CPI for this honor and for succeeding to initiate policies, collaborating with other groups that would help better San Diego and its communities, with much more progress to come. Thank you.